Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria. In this video, I'll be showing you an easy method to make fitting braids as well as stitch braids. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and put on your notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. And if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. So as usual, I'll be starting off by using my Mega Growth Living Strengthener to moisturize my hair. I recently started using shea butter for my edges, and hopefully it works some magic in that area because that area is lacking. Then I part my hair into two halves. For the back, use your sense of touch if you don't have a three-way mirror. So I used my Shine and Jam styling gel, my nice G hair wax to hold down the hair. So for this hairstyle, you need a strong gel. That's why I added the nice G hair wax to the Shine and Jam, because the Shine and Jam was not really holding it down as much as I would have loved it to. So I used the nice G hair wax to make it firm. For this video, I'll be showing you a new method of making fitting braids. This method is the bomb. It's totally beginner friendly, and I added bits of stitches to give it, a nice and spicy look. While making the stitches, you can cut them according to the size of stitch you want. If you could make the manual stitch, that method is as you cornrow or as you weave your hair back, you just be making the stitches as you go. But if you can't, you can try this method. And while you're making it, if you want your stitches to be smaller, you can cut them according to the size of stitch you want. I wanted mine to be large stitches, that's why I cut mine big. Then when you're done with the stitches, make sure the cornrows are tight. You make the cornrows the same way, the normal way you make them as you're braiding or as you're weaving it. You add the stitches one after the other. Also, do not forget to tighten your grip, so ensure that the cornrows are very, very tight. Add the extension one after the other in between the stitches. If you're not making stitch braids and you're just making plain fitting braids, then you should just add the extension closely in between. But if you're making stitch braids, add it in between the stitches. I used Darling Expression attachments for this hairstyle, and I did not want the weave to be so bulky or big, so I only added smaller pieces. If you want yours bigger, you can add the quantity of the attachment. When weaving the extension over the cornrows, ensure that you grip it tightly, because if you don't, it will be pulling off and you might get frustrated or get very messy tangles. So I wanted to have like a very low small bun, not doing too much at the back of the braids. If you want a bigger bun, remember to add more attachment to the tips of the weave while you're making it. So this is the final look. I made my edges of the camera with my nice G hair wax, and then it's really an easy and quick hairstyle, and it's equally very affordable. You could use it for school, work, and other functions. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course, do not forget to ask questions in the comment section. Do not hesitate. Yeah, thanks for watching.